Hello, Primary 3, how are you? I'm so happy to be with you today. Today we have a new lesson. It's talking about factors. What are the factors? The factors of any number of the multiples, the factor of the multiples, it's the two numbers that we multiply together to give the multiples. Like, we have 2 by 3, it's equal 6. So, 2 and 3 are factors of the multiple 6. If we have 2 by 3, the 2 and 3 called the factors. If we have 2 by 10 equal 20, 2 and 10, they are a factor of 10, of 20. 5 by 3, it's equal 15. 5 and 3 are factors to 15. Now we have some examples. If I ask you to find the factor of number 6, and I will give you a flowers to represent 6, you will arrange them in an array. This array, the first array, we have one row. In each row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 columns, one row in 6 columns. So it will be 1 by 6. And we have now, we will arrange them in array from two row. In each row we have 1, 2, 3 columns. So it will be 2 by 3. Now we will arrange them in how many rows? In 1, 2, 3. In each column we have 1, 2. So it will be 3 by 2. And we can arrange them in another way. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 rows. In each row, 1 column. In this row, we have 1 column. So it will be 6 by 1. So the factors of 6 will be 1, 2, 3, and 6. We have another example. The factor of number 8. We will arrange them, or these cars, we will arrange these cars in one row. This row have how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 1 by 8. Or we can arrange them in how many rows? In 1, 2 rows. In each row, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 2 by 4. Or we can arrange them in how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. In each row, 1, 2. So it will be 4 by 2. Or we can arrange them in how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows and 1 column. So it will be 8 by 1. The factors of 8 will be 1 and 2, 4 and 8. The factors of number 10. We can arrange them in 1 column and 10 rows. So it will be 1 by 10. Or 1 or 10 columns and 1 row. It will be 10 by 1. Or 2 columns and 5 rows. So it will be 2 by 5. 10 in table 5. In table 2, 2 by 5. Or we can arrange them 5 columns and 2 rows. In table 10 in table 5, 5 by 2. So the factors of 10, 1, 2, 5, and 10. 1, 2, 5, and 10. We didn't repeat it any factor. We tried the factor just one time. Now we will find the factor of number 14. 14. In table 1, 1 by 14. In table 2, 2 by 7. So the factor of 14, 1, 2, 7, and 14. Okay, the factor of 18. We will search in table 1, 1 by 18. Or we can switch them, 18 by 1. Or 2 by 9. Or switch them, 9 by 2. We said before we didn't repeat any factors. 3 by 6 in table 3. Or 6 by 3 in table 6. So the factors of 18, 1 and 2 and 3 and 6 and 9 and 18. Now we have another idea. It's talking about the fact family, or the relation between addition and the relation between multiplication and division. What's the relation between them? If I give you these three numbers, 2, 12, and 6, we need to arrange them in multiplication equation. What by what give the third, which numbers multiply together to give me the third number? 2 by 6, it's equal 12. Or 6 by 2, it's equal 12. This multiplication equation. In division equation, we start with the big number. 12 divided 6 equal 2. 12 divided 2 equals 6. We have to remember, in multiplication equation, we arrange them small number by small number to give the big number, or the big number divided the small number in division equation to give small number. Again, in multiplication equation, we arrange them small, small, big. In division, big, small, small. I have these three number 3, 18, and 3. At the first, we will arrange in multiplication equation. We said before, I will arrange them. I will start with any of the two small numbers. 3 by 6 equals 18. Or 6 by 3 equal 18. In division equation, we can arrange them big, small, small. So it will be 18 divided 6 will give the third number 3. Or 18 divided 3, it's equal 6. Now we have this number 4, 20, 5. Arrange in addition equation, multiplication equation, sorry. In multiplication equation, I will start with any of the small numbers. 4 by 5, it's equal 20. Or 5 by 4, it's equal 20. Okay, if we need to arrange them in division equation, I will start with the big. 20 divided 4 equals 5. Or 20 divided 5 equals 4. Now we have these another three numbers, 7, 35, and 5. Arrange in multiplication equation. Start with any one of the small numbers. It will be 7 by 5 equal to 35. Or 5 by 7, 7 by 5 equal 35, or 5 by 7 equal 35. Division, I will start with the big number. Which is the big number? 35 divided 5 equals 7, or 35 divided 7 equals 5. Now we finish our lesson, and I'm so happy to be with you. I will see you in the next videos. Thank you. Goodbye.